Welcome back to BarnabasGist. A lot of signals has been sent to Nigeria youth, but yet they refuse to act. My people, come here that the government is hiding something concerning this Boko Haram. You see, this 2027 presidential election is bringing a lot of truth to art. Things are really happening. I'm going to play one video for you to know that this government do not really want to end insecurity in Nigeria. There are some top officials in the government who are probably one way or the other sponsoring this whole thing that is happening, from bandit to herdsmen. We are going to play the video. A Yoruba man don't come outside, one of the Yoruba leaders, don't come outside, come bring a solution to Nigeria problem. He said that this is what he feel that will work, that Tinubu should implement what they call regional government and give the state powers. My people, don't be smart, you know. A lot of things happen for this video where we go play you now, but we will bring and come one after the other, come show you.
That movement, that's what it is. I'm not ashamed. Okay, look, if President Tinubu succeeds now, 2027, 2031, every Yoruba person in Abuja will be clean out of the system. Because
you understand?
We already started with Fulani. He is doing Yoruba now. Let the Igbos come. We cannot block the Igbos if they put 99% in all positions too. Is that the way we are building the country? Let Yoruba man go and rule Yoruba land. Let the North agree on who will rule Northwest. Let the Kanuri rule Northeast. Let the Igbos rule the Southeast. Let the South agree. Then the temperature will come down. I will not want to be running federal election with 200 million naira form, because I have to run from Sokoto to Ikotekpene. I will campaign as a premier of Western region, where people know me and I know them. I know what they want. The Southwest want to bring all Yorubas who are Japan, bring them back to Nigeria. Nigeria is too hostile for the Yorubas now. Nigeria is a poisoned environment for Yoruba, because we invested in education so much and we have lost all the human beings. They are developing other societies. The North will not care less. How many doctors do they have in United States? How many doctors do they have in Europe? These are facts. I'm put on the table now. I don't need to sugarcoat anything at all. We are divided. Let's just accept it. It's no fight. It's no war. The North will come up on their own. We will respect each other. But this matter of trying to play some games, President Tinubu is better. In fact, if he runs only one time and he brings this temperature down, his name will go down in history. But if he does not do anything in the next 6 months about restructuring, and he goes to use all the money to run election in 2027 and he wins, and then what? Yorubas will become endangered in the political system, because once he leaves, then Nigeria is not safe for Yoruba again. Sorry, let the Igbos come. They have right to come. There are so many issues on this matter. The first foundation to lay is that Nigeria is not a united country, despite all the pretenses. We are not South since 1914. It has not changed. The North, at the flip of a switch, they are able to shout Northern interest. The Southerners are laid back, hoping that, oh, we are civilized. We don't want to talk about tribalism. Tribalism is at play. We are pretentious about this matter. Look, the North has taken us for a ride for too long. They foisted federal character on Nigeria over 40 years. They foisted quota system over Nigeria over 40 years. Have they benefited from it? Only the tiny clique in the North is holding the whole country to ransom. It's enough time for Nigeria to wake up. We are not together, North plus South. Now they are talking the elite, the few elite in the North. Like if Filibotu is going to be removed from their mouth. That's what they are doing. They are shouting. They are forming a group now. Lead of Northern Democrats. The governor of Bauchi was talking. They won't be able to pay salaries again. They won't be able to do that. Look, the North has damaged Nigeria fundamentally with this attitude. Who are the Nigerians who are now Japan now? They are Southerners. The South invested in education massively in the 50s and the 60s. The products now are being driven out of Nigeria. Can you find the Fulani man in London or in New York practicing medicine, practicing engineering? It's Yoruba, the Igbo, Southerners that are marginalized. It's time to call the bluff of the North. Not because we even support what Tinubu is doing, but we have to converse about Nigeria. Nigeria is not, we are pretentious. Let's go to the brass tacks. That's why we are calling for regionalization. The North is separate from the South. That's just the truth. That's just the truth. Unless we are deceiving ourselves. There are many issues about the tax reform. Look, the president is not focusing in the right direction. Just one item alone, inheritance tax. The North has a different perspective on Sharia. The Southwest have different customs. The East have different approach. By trying to do a unitary tax system, when we are all having a different flavor of life, is that not a way to nowhere? Tax bill is not the reform that we want. The country has to be reorganized and let all of us live separately, but as good neighbors. As good neighbors. We are different. It's just a fact.
To do whatever they feel like doing simply because they are professional, you cannot talk to them. Give them target. During Jonathan, we brought mercenaries. They were about to finish Boko Haram. But because of our complacency and personal aggrandizement and personal interest, we asked them to go back. And we are still battling with the issue. I was in Borno State as a member of a state House of Assembly when the mercenaries were in Borno. There were less than 30. They operate in a place like this. Everybody with a laptop before him, observing what is happening in the bush. The moment they discover an enclave, they will be able to identify how many weapons do they have, what kind of weapons are they using, how many AK-47 do they have, how many explosives do they have. They will take only 3 or 4 people in a chopper, go and clear everything. They will snap pictures before clearing them and bring back exhibit. We are about to finish it. And because of interest, personal interest, that if we allow mercenaries to finish this thing, we are not going to get anything. How much was the bill given by the mercenaries? Even Russia is employing mercenaries to fight for them, isn't it? Are we stronger than Russia? Is there anything wrong if you can bring somebody that can fight for you? There's nothing wrong in that. So I'm sorry if people are saying that National Assembly is not doing the needful, National Assembly is not providing the enabling laws. We have provided all the enabling laws. The enforcement of such laws is not ours. If government is not ready to implement, there is no way we can compel government. The only thing we can advise government. If government refuses to do it, there is no way you can force them.
Yeah, welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, the first video where you watch, now the Yoruba, one of the Yoruba's elders, getting the talk concerning things where they happen for inside Nigeria. The second one, now the one of Hausa or Fulani man, the paro put for the matter concerning Boko Haram. You see the country where me are you there, they use person life, they play. Now I want to show you what is happening between Alioma State. Most of you never hear this one. I don't talk for this channel many times concerning Alioma State creation. We go make up the 60 Igbo states. We go join Southeast so that the Igbo speaking side and other of their brothers go join their brothers across the Niger. So, but let me play you. May you hear the stage where they now things where they go on for inside the matter. Stay tuned.
Tuna they see me so na Igbo chikodi Igbo onu ya ji mara mo Igbo Ezu TV. Today we are to you. The first stage of the constitutional review has just passed. I have a lot of video to show you, but for those who are crying, those especially those boys and girls in Benin, there is a video I want you to watch. Just look at this video and suit yourself. I'll come back again. Thank you.
We already have the memorandum. Standing on existing protocols, my name's Tony Osita Ogana. I'm a lawyer, publisher, and I'm also a community leader. Mr. Senate President, you might not remember me, but 4 years ago you were in Onitshibo to see Kachiko. It was me that you gave the money to go and empower our people. It was me you told that wherever you go, you spread smiles on the faces of people. Now the Anioma Nation is calling on you, sir. You are married to one of us, Mrs. Unoma, she's Igbo. We are calling on you to help create the 6th Ndibo state for the Anioma Nation. Now let us be clear, what is Anioma? A stands for Aniocha, North and South. Ndokwa East Ndukwa West. I stands for Ika, O stands for Osimili. And of course, Ukwane will always go with the Ndukwa nation. Not many people know that Asaba was the first capital of Nigeria. Not many people know that after the amalgamation in 1914, it was Anioma people that bore the brunt of the Civil War. When, despite the fact that late Colonel Philip Effiong had handed over surrender, the federal troops came into Asaba, our women and men came out dancing with powder to welcome them. And what do we get in return? We got bullets. So we are calling on the 10th Assembly to help wipe the tears of the Igbo nation. We are begging that the state of Anioma should be created. Of all the zones in Nigeria, it is only the Igbo zone that has 5 states. So we are begging you, sir, to do the right thing. Finally, before I sit down, the very first request for states in 1954 was by our people. Till date, that state has not been created. Please help stabilize Nigeria, help give us the 6th Igbo state, help make Asiwaju's re-election very, very easy and a walk in the park for the Igbo nation. Give us the state. Thank you, and this is the memorandum. And thank you.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, now so it did happen, and now I say make I bring and come show now, so you people can see in these pictures that some places will be like say smoke they go up. That one now waiting happen for Anambra yesterday. Would they still wait for the detail, full details being come outside? They say that the government come outside though for crow eyes. When they face the men of the uniform of the Nigeria. No be small thing though, as it they happen. Now they bring and they show now. I bet you quickly drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video so that other people will know how it they go. Don't forget say we don't come back gidigbam. We they here, they bring you back to back update. They share them immediately. Don't forget say see there for BarnabasGist. As they watch, they share the video.